Okay, so these guys are at it again with another video, and they have an F-250.
Alright guys, so this is our F-250. What we're doing to our F-250 is we're blacking it out, like as you can tell with our logos, the King Ranch logo, and we blacked out the brown part all around the vehicle. And with our moldings, we're replacing it with black. But what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be blacking out this chrome part right here on the mirrors on both sides. So,
and a lot of people ask us, what's the difference between chrome plastic and chrome metal? And on chrome plastic, you just scuff it. On the chrome metal, you just sandblast it. As you can tell over here on the grill, all of this was chrome plastic, and we just scuffed it. It was really easy. And on the chrome metal, we just sandblasted. And we're gonna do that on both sides, and that's it.
Okay guys, so let's get these guys ready to work, and then we'll come back.
alright guys, so yeah, because you can tell the mirrors right here on the chrome part is real dirty. The truck is dirty, but that doesn't really matter. We're just gonna clean it up real quick with some paint thinner, and then we're gonna scuff it. Alright, just clean it up real quick. Alright guys, so we cleaned it, and the paint thinner is still kind of wet, so we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna scuff it as soon as it's dry.
Guys, so now that we let the paint thinner dry for 5 minutes, I'm gonna scuff it. And you have to be very careful on the plastic right here, because you could damage the plastic. So I'm gonna start scuffing it. And that's pretty basic. All you have to do is scuff it, and just watch out for the plastic not to damage it. So we're pretty much done scuffing both mirrors, and we're gonna start taping. You just want to get it where the plastic ends all around. It doesn't have to be perfect.
So all of this we covered up. We covered all. Technically, we have to cover mostly all this side because we don't want to get any overspray on the rest of the truck. That the Raptor's not supposed to be there. So we're done taping up this side. Now we just gotta finish the other side.
Okay guys, so we ran out of paper, but we have to get the job done, so we're using this old blanket here, and pretty much it. We have to tape it all the way up, and we just need this little part, and that's it. We're done.
So we already cleaned it with the paint thinner. We already let it dry for about 10 minutes. So now we're just gonna put some adhesive promoter on it. All right, go to the other side. All right, guys. So we're just gonna let that there flash, and then after that, we're gonna get the Raptor ready, and after that, see how it comes out. So like we said before, the first coat is just, you need to get it on there. You don't really need to get like real in there until the second coat. You let it dry. The first coat you let it dry about 40 minutes. Then the second coat you'll see where the Raptor stands out more. Alright guys, so that's the first coat, so we're just gonna let it sit there for about 30, 40 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and do the second coat.
We let it sit there for 30 minutes and we're gonna give it the second pass. All this one and the other one. Okay guys, so we're gonna let it sit there for about an hour, and after that we're gonna start taking off the paper. Okay guys, so we let it sit there for an hour and we're gonna start taking off the papers to see how it looks.
Alright, so we're done taking off the paper and Raptoring the chrome part of the mirror. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash the truck, make it look nice, so it'll look better and blacked out.
Okay guys, so here we go. I think this is it.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done Raptoring the F-250 Keen Ranch, and I mean of course it's a Keen Ranch because it was all brown, but we wanted to black it out, and as you can see we did the bumper, we did the fenders, we did the grill, and as you can see over here we did the mirrors. So now it's a Keen Ranch, blacked out Keen Ranch F-250, and right here we blacked out the logos on both sides and the back, and that's it. We're done.
All right, didn't come out too bad.
All right, like and subscribe.